Hey guys, welcome to Designs by Alpha, your go-to channel for everything Canva and design related. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, you're in the right place. I'm Alpha and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this creative journey. From Canva tutorials that will level up your design game to tips and tricks that will have you designing like a pro, we've got you covered. But before we dive into today's incredible design, I've got a small favor to ask. If you find value in what you're about to see, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, drop a comment to let me know your thoughts, and of course, subscribe to stay connected. Trust me, your likes, comments, and subscriptions fuel this creative adventure, and I appreciate every single one. So without further ado, let's jump into today's design. And that's a wrap on another inspiring design. I hope you enjoyed today's design. Remember, the more you practice, the more your designs will shine. If you're hungry for more design wisdom and can't wait for the next video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give that like button a tap if you found today's tips useful, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep unleashing your creativity and designing your world.